guys, it's your girl Saba. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, Christmas is right around the corner. So you're probably spending time with family and friends and eating some good food. So to get you ready for the holiday season, I'm sharing my favorite keto sugar cookie recipe, so let's jump right in. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like and share this video. Before we begin working on the dough, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. To make these cookies keto-friendly, we're going to make a fathead dough. It's basically a dough primarily made out of cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, and eggs. Grab a mixing bowl and add your cream cheese and mozzarella cheese. Now that the cheeses are in the mixing bowl, we're going to heat them up in the microwave at 30-second intervals. I'm taking it out of the microwave for the first time. This is what it looks like after 30 seconds. It has to get nice and melty and cheesy, so we're going to put it in for another 30 seconds. This is the next 30-second mark. It's starting to get more melty and cheesy. Mix it. Then I'm going to put it back in for the last 30 seconds. This is the final 30-second interval that we've done. It's looking so good, y'all. So I'm going to help the process by just mixing it together. Fathead dough can be a little sticky to work with, so I'm actually going to use my food processor to help mix all the ingredients together. If you don't have a food processor, that's okay. You can use a good old rubber spatula to help mix all the ingredients in. Just make sure that you're putting all the remaining ingredients in really quickly, and sometimes you're even going to have to use your hands to really mix the dough properly. Don't be afraid to get in there and get your hands a little dirty. Add in the ghee, sweetener, egg whites, almond flour, vanilla extract, and baking powder. Because the dough can be a bit sticky, add in some more almond flour as you're mixing the remaining ingredients. The dough is done, and y'all, so tasty. To help get rid of the stickiness, I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about 15 minutes. This is what the dough looks after being in the fridge for 15 minutes. Now it's time to form the cookies. Grab your baking sheet and parchment paper. Use the back of a spoon or measuring cup to flatten out the cookies a little bit. We're done forming our cookies, y'all. They look so good and I can't wait to eat them. Okay, so let me calm down. I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 15 minutes and then I'll be right back when they're done. Guys, the cookies are done and they look amazing. I am so ready to eat. I've been waiting for this moment since we started. Look at them, guys. Y'all know how I get when I do a taste test. Oh my gosh, pillowy soft. Just the right amount of sweetness. It's perfect. It's actually pillowy, like fluffy. It's been out for like 10 minutes now to cool, and it's still so soft. If you make these cookies for Santa, you'll get an extra present. So bomb. It's the best. It's everything a cookie should be. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like and share this video with others, and most importantly, subscribe and visit my website, savoringwithsaba.com, for the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions for our keto-friendly sugar cookies. Y'all, it's been real. Have a fabulous, fabulous Christmas. Stay safe and happy savoring.